Hi guys, I hope you are all good. This is your boy Alfred Lyon speaking, Blue City Forex, the author of Asian Vacation Strategy when it comes to indices. In this video guys, I just want to show you on how Forex patterns work. Forex chart, Forex patterns, on how they work, how you can trade them and all those things. I know I have once spoke about this topic and a lot of people know about it. So I would like to first show you on how I managed to catch my first two trades of the week. I traded Monday, I traded Tuesday, and these signals I gave them to the free Telegram group, guys. Join my free Telegram group. You can pause the video now, just scroll down on the description of this video and join my Telegram group. You will receive free signals and free analysis. We traded yesterday, we won, and today we also traded and we won as well. Okay, so let me not waste much time explaining about that. So let's just get down to it, guys, and let me show you on how we managed to catch those trades. Pretty much simple. I always repeat the same thing over and over because it works for me. You understand? So like this price action thing, it works for me, and the chart patterns are very much clear for me. You understand? For me to trade. So let me clear this and let me show you on how I managed to catch that. I won't go back to explain a lot. Let me just show you my analysis. This analysis, if you can check my third last or my fourth last video, it's still there. So I won't be explaining it as I had explained it once before. You understand? So remember, we are still on a descending channel on NAS100, as I've analyzed last, and I had told people that the market will come to this support and we will expect the market to do what? To come and touch up there, of which unfortunately we had some fundamental reasons that the market dropped hard like this. You understand? The thing that been going on and all those things on CNBC news, they just announce the fundamentals there, and then you will see us there going crazy and all those things. So fortunately enough, the market was still on the support right here on our support trend line, and we saw the market creating these higher highs and higher lows situation, and we are still expecting the market to come and create these higher low or IPA just before the market goes to the upside, not unless the fundamentals will push this to the downside. You understand? So let me not explain much about that. I wanted to focus on how I managed to give out the signals to trade for yesterday and today. Okay, so let me go to 1 hour. On my 1 hour, I had seen since last week that the market it's on a rising channel, and it's in what another rising channel. It's like a trend in trends. You understand? So like we having this ascending structure inside ascending structure. Okay, so it's like this. I had analyzed like this last week, and I had seen that what the market now, when it closed last week, what I do most of the time is that I check the market when it closed, and I just check my analysis as a whole on what happened and all those things, so that I can have some idea on what may happen the next coming week of trading. Understand? So I seen that the market, since it gave us that price action of ascending channel, the market created these double tops right here, of which this is a reversal signal. Double tops, it's a reversal signal, guys. You understand? And another thing that I had seen is that the market had created another beautiful structure here, which is a famous structure, the head and shoulder structure. You understand? So let me show you real quick on what I'm talking about. So the market, after creating these double tops right here, um, yesterday the market managed to go and create a right shoulder. Okay, so let me highlight this with a different tool. We are having something like this. I hope you can see that. Let me adjust it to my right shoulder, and let me copy this and give a neckline. So this is our neckline. I hope you can see this very clear, guys, that this is a left shoulder. We don't have to, like, point which area it's the right shoulder, just left shoulder, just point it. This is our left shoulder, this is our neckline, this is our head, and this is our confirmation neckline right here, and this was the right shoulder. And right straight on that right shoulder, it's where I gave a sell signal. And how did I manage to understand that now the market is going to fall? Beside the fact that when the market gets to right shoulder, it has to turn. So lately the market been like breaking patterns and all those things, but you need to get some few confirmations on whether the market is turning or what. Remember, this is the right shoulder. Okay, remember, this is the right shoulder. And let me say this thing: the market patterns work best on sensitive areas. For an example, on resistance areas, on support areas. That's where the market patterns get to function or to work best. You understand? So on that right shoulder, guys, as I'm still explaining, we had a pattern actually that I managed to catch, okay, and gave it to the free group and also send signals to my clients. So let's do this live chat. I had seen that the market created this pattern right here, of which if we copy this to the upside, so you can see, guys, I'm repeating the same thing over and over. Small time frame, high time frame, it's all the same. So let me remove this big one. Okay, so the market came here and created the double tops. I said double tops is a reversal. So on these double tops, I had to wait for, just those couple rejection and all those things to confirm that we are selling. And I started sending signals when the market gave out these confirmation right here of rejection and this bullish candlestick, And then as for stop loss, I always tell people to set stop loss based on their trading plan because of it's on the free group. But for private clients whom subscribe for my signals, I give them stop loss TP1 and TP2 all the time. So everything was just this way, and I had targeted the profit right on this support, on this neckline right here. Remember, this is a neckline. So I gave out this signal that it's a sell, and it worked perfectly, guys. It just went straight to the TP, and we managed to capitalize from it. So the second structure that I saw, but I did not trade because I did not want to get myself in, like, over trading spirit, you understand? So this was the rising wage that I had seen right here, but I did not trade this rising wage, guys, because of I'm still you know working based on the psychological trading thing that you don't have to over trade. It still applies even now, things that I learned before, the basics and all those things. So this was another opportunity to scale in. To those that who like scaling in, this was another opportunity to scale in. What to scale in sales? Of course, you take your profits on the support where the structure started. So I did not give out that signal because of I did not want us to like over trade. So the second signal, the signal that I gave out today, it was this one here. I've seen that the market is creating another structure. Of course, here is the other block. This is the other block on what, on 5 minutes. This is the other block, and I've seen that the market is creating another rising structure right here. So basically, this was based on the Asian vacation strategy. This was based on what? Asian vacation strategy, because this was the Asian pattern that the market has created. This was based on the Asian vacation pattern that is created. You can see the market, it's like ascending to the upside, you understand? But I like it to keep it simple in form of what? In form of channels. So I just copy my things and do them this way. And this is where I said that the market is going to start selling. I had put my my sell limit right there. My broker did not trigger the sell limit, but on the trading view shows real prices and all those things. It triggered the sell limit, and this is how things went. Exactly just this way, guys. This is how I gave out the signal, and you can join the Telegram group, by the way. You can see on how things work out. So this is how chat patterns work. You understand? This is how chat pattern work. You just have to wait for the market to create that favorite chat pattern that you trade. And when it gets there, trade, don't worry. If it lose, it lost. That's still price action. That's still the market behavior. But most, like 90% of all times, if you follow your rules, you will win. So that's how simple it is to get signals. That's how simple it is to trade the market. You understand? So this is it, guys. I just wanted to show you that, and thank you very much for your time. This is your boy Alfred Lion.